So let's see how to create an alert. So create an iOS single view app. Click on the main.storyboard file. Click on the library icon in the upper right corner. And what you need is a button. And the exact location isn't that important. And you also need a switch. And then you need to click on the Add Editor on right icon to split the editor pane. Click on the viewcontroller.swift file. And let's control drag from the switch. Call this my switch, and this will create an IB outlet. And now let's control drag from the button. Let's call this button tapped, or any name that you want. Make the type UI button and click connect. And let's add a variable here called which style. And this is going to be a UI alert controller.style. And we'll set the initial value to an alert. Now here we need to identify whether the switch is on or off. And if it's on, we'll make sure that the style is alert. And if it's off, we'll change the style to action sheet. Now let's go ahead and create our alert using UI alert controller. And let's choose a title. And the title can be anything you want, any type of text. And the message can be longer text. And the style, we'll choose as which style. Let's create a button as a UI alert action. And the style, let's make that default. And the handler, we can just hit return. And we'll just leave this blank. Now let's add the button to the alert. And finally we need to present the alert. And completion will be nil. And now we click on the run button, or choose product run, and the simulator will appear. And when you click on the button, your alert will appear. You can click on the OK button to make it go away. Click on the switch, and now we change it to an action sheet, which appears at the bottom of the screen. But it has the exact same title and message and button. And you can see that the alert appears in the middle of the screen while the action sheet appears at the bottom of the screen. And also notice that the action sheet appears a little bit dimmer while the alert appears in darker text, just to catch your attention. But that's how your app should work. Click on the button and you can switch between an alert and an action sheet.